jump. Uh-oh, high water. Dang. I don't know if that's supposed to be flooded or not. I don't think so. I don't think that's normally a lake. That's crazy. Oh yeah, that's high. That's up. We up. Where does that go? Actually, I think there's an old cemetery back here. We'll find out. It's getting moist, guys. Cemetery. Looks like somebody else has been here and we're out here. I don't know. Getting somewhat of a creepy vibe. Take that for a little ride. Wonder what happened. Things occurred, didn't they? So we need some backup out here. Yes, sir. Now that's horsepower. Beautiful spot. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to ADV Rich. I'm Rich. This is my 2020 Honda XR650. And today we're going to go check out a couple of new gravel roads that I just discovered. As usual, we got a super windy early spring day, but it's 78 degrees, perfect temperature, so we really can't complain. Had to get out here for a ride and to film something for you guys. I'm going to turn off the camera and turn it back on when we get closer to the new roads out there. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Super sketchy with that gravel right there. You do not want to go off that edge. Y'all, we're out here on the first gravel road of the day. Kind of a rough one. I guess they just put a bunch of gravel on it, so it's not that fun to ride, but we're still going to go see where it leads. It's supposed to be a dead end ending at like some kind of dam on the river. Guess we're going to find out. It's a rough one, guys. Very loose. Absolutely beautiful out here, though. Everything's just starting to turn green. Quite a bumpy one. Look at that. that's a jump. We ain't hitting that on the XR 650 though, I'll tell you that. You're kidding. UPS came all the way out here. That's funny. If that's public or not. What a gentleman. Kind of sketchy. I think the next road's going to be a lot better for some rippage. This one's more of a cruiser. A couple goats. Thought it was some horses. Uh-oh, high water. We'll see about that. Total carnage. We just got hit with that crazy tornado weather a couple days ago. Look at that. Dang. Dang. I don't know if that's supposed to be flooded or not. I don't think so. I don't think that's normally a lake. That's crazy. Wow. Oh yeah, that's high. That's up. We up. Man, this road goes a lot deeper than I thought. Let's see what we're getting into out here. Familiar with this road, so I can't really go too hard right now, but it got to the perfect level of gravel out here where it's not too slick. Oh yeah. Just a quick little rip for you guys. Oh, didn't expect to see anyone out here. They didn't see me ripping. Maybe that is normally a lake, that part at least. But otherwise they wouldn't be fishing in there. Cool. Okay. Oh, thought that was going to be the end. Usually there's not this much gravel. Right now this part is pretty good, but usually the whole road's like that. They must have come and just did this. Absolutely epic back here though. That's why you got to get out and explore. I would never expect all this to be back here. Some of this is flood, and then some of it's like actual estuaries that are always here, I think. Crazy. Look at that. kind of clear. Straight up marsh. Oh, a little bit of action back here. Everybody's friendly though, that's cool. Take it easy, guys. Now, where does that go? Wow, there's actually somebody living back here. I hope I didn't just go up their driveway by accident. That looks like a dead end right there. You don't have to tell me twice, just in case I went up their driveway. I'm out. Should I check this out? Actually, I think there's an old cemetery back here. I'm gonna find out. Oh, it's kind of looking like a dead end, but we'll see. Oh, it's a little bit sandy. Oh God, that's looking rough. Oh my God, it's getting moist, guys. What the heck? I don't know if I'm going to go through there right off the bat. I got to take a look at that before. This will be a good spot to park, hopefully. I don't know, she might sink in. Let me get a flat area. Epic little view. A nice rock I could have put the bike on. I better stay up. I gotta go pre-inspect this. This is rough. There was a gate and somebody blew it down. Doable. Not great when you're way out here alone, though. Totally doable. I don't know if it leads to anything cool, though. I think it's going to be a dead end right here. Where's the cemetery? You guys are going to light me up for getting off the bike. There's just enough room to get through everything. Looks like somebody else has been here. Man, we're out here. I don't know. Getting somewhat of a creepy vibe. This is going to be the end of the line for today, guys. I'll come back with my riding buddy and see what the heck's going on. Take that for a little ride. Wonder what happened. Things occurred, didn't they? I'll open it up for somebody to come through. I think it's time we get out of here and explore a little bit of a different road that's better for some nice riding. Cool to see though. We'll come back with my boy. We need some backup out here. Sir. On the map it looked like we can get all the way to the river back there. That might be where we do that, but I don't know. Come back another time and check it out. Fine gent. It's probably like, why are you tearing up our roads? It's a public road. You know I gotta come through and tear it up a little bit. There's the river, but couldn't get to it back there. Where those people were. I don't want to light them up and be rude. Looks like they left. Maybe. Yep. As you guys saw, there's traffic, down trees, a lot of stuff out here. We can't be going too crazy around these turns. This is not a track. Remember to always ride safe on public road, guys. Cool. At least we got to see what was back there. Some interesting stuff. If we had an actual dirt bike, we'd really be having some fun back there, but with this big pig, it's not really going to happen, guys. Actually looks like a boat ramp right there. I'll come out here and launch. It's a public lake. What's the deal? Cut it loose. Very respectful drivers out here. Look at that, you had to soup up the sedan to get back here. Sketchy. Rear end's fishtailing like crazy. Hopefully they didn't gravel the other roads we're about to hit up. They're trying to tear it up. But I'm not trying to lay her down out here. Look at the size of Black Beauty over there. Staring me down. Horse meets mule. Check this out, buddy. Now that's horsepower. Such a good road. You only had to jump back on pavement for about 2 minutes. Coming up to the next gravel road right now. Should be a little bit better for some serious rippage. Right here. Oh, I almost passed her up. Thrifty. Yes, we are about to get thrifty. Let's see if they graveled this one. Oh, it's looking better already, guys. It's got that nice limestone base without too much gravel. Still got to watch out for oncoming. Driveway. Turn back to pavement. How dare you? I think it turns back to gravel. Nice little pond. Nice little view. Oh my god, nice homestead down there. You guys see that? that's public, we'll have to come back for that one. Nice looking cabin spot, or you can come and rent those out. Beautiful pines up there. That's nice. Dog getting ready to chase me. There he is. That's a good boy. Yep, right here we got another gravel road. That road looks really nice up there too. Let me get a quick battery check before we hit this road up for you guys. Got about 25%. This road's not as long, so I think that'll be enough to get us through. Rather hilly and gravelly. Of course the XR will make it, but feather it a little bit. Yes, sir. That's just a short one. Let's see what's going on at this little lake. Wow, everything's getting nice and green, man. Beautiful. Yeah-oh. Yep. We got this pretty well cleaned up. Nice little lake. Okay, getting rough. Oh, it's getting moist too. don't really want you ripping this up back here. Nice little spot to stop off. Uh-oh. I can't put the bike down here. Hang on. Slip. It's sliding in. Try putting her down on one of these. You guys check this out. Beautiful spot. It's actually a public trail system. I don't know where the trail goes. I think right through here. Let's take a little look. But it gets intense real quick. Oh, it goes up through there. Snake City. It's more for horses, but wow, look at that. That's nice. That'll have to be for another video, guys. It's getting late. I really got to get back home. I bet this lake is super slept on too. It's just more of a pond, but looks kind of juicy. Look at the size of that. Nice tree. Straight. Surprised they haven't logged that. You guys let me know down in the comments. Do you want to see me bike to a hike? Sometimes. There he goes again, big frog. Get eyes on him though. Yeah, you guys let me know down in the comments. Do you want to see me ride my bike to a hike and then actually hike the spot and maybe do some camping off the bike? Alright guys, I think this is a good spot to end today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more. The warm weather's finally here, so we're going to be able to get out and ride a ton more. I got a lot of nice rides coming down the pike, and until next time, I'm going to have to catch you later. ADV Rich,